What's up, Glam Squad? It's Glamorous TT here. In today's video, I'm just going to be basically showing you how I apply my press-on nails. So with every pack, it does come with glue, a nail file, and a cuticle puller. I don't know the correct term for it, but I just call it a cuticle puller. These stickers I really don't use. I used to use this back in the day when I didn't know any better, but I prefer not to use these sticky things. They're a waste of time. The nails that I have here are from Kiss, and you guys, they are so affordable. I got these nails for like $3. They were on sale, but the original price is anywhere between $7 and $10. The first step is to basically push your cuticles back, but I rather not do this because my cuticles are very sensitive, so I just skip that step and I go straight to filing my nails. My nails are already short, so there's no need to clip them with a nail clipper. I just kind of like file them even shorter, but that's a plus when you have no nails. What I like about these nails also is they look like salon done nails. Like, Kiss has really stepped up their game. Okay, they are really like going ham, because this was one of many that caught my eye. These are quite long. I usually go for a short nail, but when I saw these, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get these and try these out. After I'm done filing, I usually go in with all of the nails and see what nail it belongs on. If you see me looking behind them, each of the nail usually have a number ranging from 1 to 10 based on the size. So just to make the process faster, once I see it fits one of my nails, I would just go ahead and take out the other side, so it will just be less time consuming. What I also like about press-on nails is the fact that I don't have to be in a nail salon because of the chemicals. If you really notice, when you're getting your nails done, your nail tech most likely has a mask on. I've always asked myself, why wouldn't they give their customers masks? I mean, these chemicals are very harsh, and with all this stuff about AIDS and people contracting them from the nail salon, kind of got me paranoid. So I like the fact that I can do this in the comfort of my home anytime I like. And what's also a plus is I can also reuse the nails that I have left back. If you guys want a video on that, I'll show you how I shaped the old nails that I didn't use, that's really not my size, to fit my nail. Moving on to actually applying the nails with the glue. I have two methods that I use. Sometimes I would put the glue on my nail bed and on the press-on nails, and sometimes I just will put it on my nail bed, depending on how it comes out. I recently heard that super glue and nail glue are the same, but I'm not really sure. So I know people do use crazy glue to glue their nails to ensure that it lasts longer, but I'd rather be on the safe side because my nail beds are very thin. I have very thin nails, so I don't want anything to happen, because I do know super glue kind of burns. With this step, you always want to be careful and be mindful of how you're placing the nail. You don't want the nail to come off really crooked or slanted or on your cuticle. You want to make sure that it's not on your cuticle, because that can cause damage. So while I'm pressing the glue in, I'm just going to make sure they don't have any air bubbles. So you're going to see me wiggling my finger, and that's just to ensure that there's no air bubbles and it's placed very securely. I'm going to wait at least 5 hours before I wet my hands, just to ensure that it lasts longer. So right here I'm just making sure all the nails are on straight and they're not crooked. When I lift up my nails, I also seen that they have a little bit of plastic, so I just went in with the nail file and just make sure I filed out that piece of plastic. I guess that's from manufacturing. While you're doing this step, if you do want the nails to be shorter, you can cut them and file them also. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video of me applying these press-on nails. They really came out beautiful. One of my index finger, it kind of cracked because I pressed too hard, but it's nothing really noticeable. I really enjoyed these nails and they came out so beautiful, you guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.